just to bring you up to speed, it is Friday and we are heading out on a trip, fishing trip specifically, to Boca Grande Island, where we will be celebrating my brother's 40th birthday. Here we are at the airport. Are you freaking? And this is me recognizing that there's something in my bag that does not belong there. And it doesn't belong there because I didn't put it there. And specifically, the item that is in my bag is something that my brother purchased from Spencer's and zip tied to a huge bottle of lotion, knowing darn well that the bag would flag, that they would pull it out and have to inspect it, with full intent to embarrass me at the highest level. So well done, Jonathan, on that one, because once I recognized it was in my bag, it was too late to do anything about it, so I just kind of had to own it. So there, the bag was pulled out. This young lady is telling this guy to go and inspect the bag further. I believe she did that because she knows what's in it and wants nothing to do with it. And bless this guy's heart, he's the one that has to do it. So as he's getting in my bag here, I'm assuming he's going to pull this thing out where the public will now see what is stored in it. And somehow this dude's a true hero. Manages to disarm the item from the zip tie, pull out the bottle of lotion, all secretly within the bag, pauses for a minute to gather himself, and then says, "Sir, you can't have this bottle of lotion in the bag." Of course, I'm finding it quite funny at this point along with Jonathan, and I'm chuckling, which this guy does not find it funny. And I said, well, if there's anything else in there you want to also throw away, please feel free to do so. For which he tells me that they're not allowed to. And again, not even a smile out of him. True professionalism. Well done, Jonathan. Many more laughs to come. I'm sure this is just the start, but well played. Everybody, we are officially in Punta Gorda, Florida. Jonathan's naked, Dad's out there in his boxers. I'm just proud that he's not in his whitey tighties. And we're here. Willow's mad. I'm not sure what he's about to puke. No, I'm good. But anyway, we're here. We have arrived. We are in the camper. It is what? Midnight? What time is it? It is. Check out that clock beside me. 12:10 in the morning. We're gonna get to bed quickly, and we're gonna wake up tomorrow and get right at it pretty early. So enough of this. We'll see you in the morning. See you soon. Good morning, everybody. We are starting our morning out here. First thing, IHOP. You got to load up on some quality breakfast before you go out and start that journey of fishing. So here we are. Avocado toast, grilled multi-grain bread topped with sliced out by 2 eggs and cherry tomatoes. Is it real multi-grain toast? Sometimes it's not real. You just don't know. You don't have to do that. You can probably. No, I think that's great. I can probably give you 2 pancakes tomorrow. Do you mind cutting a sliver off of it? Yeah, I mean, I'll get you a little bit. I'll get you a little bit of cake. I'll get you some. Now, is this the first time you've served Mountain Dew at breakfast? No. Okay. You're not as weird as we thought, Jonathan. I'm glad you're here. You know what I mean? Okay, we are back to the camper. Plans changed a little bit. We were gonna maybe go out on the boat today and tomorrow. Now the plans have solidified that actually it's pretty windy today, so we are going to be going out on the boat offshore fishing tomorrow. Today, kind of a change of plans. We're actually going to get in some kayaks that we rented out of Boca Grande and plan on fishing the entire day out of those Tandem Kayaks. Not really sure where we're gonna fish exactly, but we'll figure it out when we get out there. We're gonna stop by and get some live bait. What were we gonna use specifically? Some pinfish, which is pretty good in that area, we're told. And we're just gonna kind of wing it, so who knows? Hopefully we get into some fish, get some good content, but I know one thing, we're gonna have fun. So that's what we're doing. We're just waiting on Matt. He's in there taking a poop, and we should be good to go here soon. So we'll load up in the 4xe Jeep. I went to turn this thing on when we got to the rental place at Alamo, and I was like, this thing won't even turn on. Did not realize it was a hybrid. So anyway, glad we got it. It's perfect for what we need. We're gonna load up the fishing poles and we'll be heading out there. Almost forgot to take a tour in the fancy camper we're staying in, so I'm gonna do that really quick before we go. Basically bed, that's where Ron and Jonathan cuddle. TV, there's Matt.
I like the cuddle.
Sink, couch, little area to do some video editing. Nice little fridge stocked with sodas. Matt's little cubby bed, Ryan's little cubby bed. Ryan fell off here last night, face first there. And yeah, toilet, shower. Anyway, here we go. Have done it out on the water with Mr. Matt Mathias at the front paddling away. We are at Boca Grande, Florida, so we're going to do some kayak fishing today with some pinfish that we picked up at a local bait shop, and we're just going to see how things go. No real plan outside of just hitting some shallow areas, maybe even a sandbar that's kind of up this way. Stay with us and I'll get the GoPro on and rolling, and hopefully we get some action.
Where do you hook these things at?
There's a couple options. You can hook it right on the inside where it gets a little fatter by the tail.
Right here?
Yep, and then they can swim like that. Or you can hook it underneath the top of it.
Here?
Like in the middle.
Right,
like, yeah, there. Yep.
If it's dead, is he still okay to cast out there?
Yeah, if he's dead, then it doesn't really matter where you hook him. Some people will even occasionally hook them through like the lip, like and out the mouth. So it doesn't matter. Hey, where are you guys going? Yeah, the sandbar. Because that island's this way. Yes, it is. No, it's definitely that way. He's wrong. Nope. It's where I'm looking. See this? Yeah, let's hit this sandbar right here.
Hello YouTube world, Jonathan here with the Venandi Ohio team. Me and Dad are out on a kayak today. Ryan and Matt are on a different one. They're back behind us about 200 yards. They're over there where there's no fish. Me and Dad are over here, and I did not have the GoPro on, but we wanted to get an idea of what we were dealing with first. But I brought in a nice 15¼ inch speckled trout, caught it on a fluke, so that's what Dad's put on as well now, and we're going after some more. Ooh. Our problem is there are puffer fish in here as well, and they quite like the tail of this here fluke, so they keep grabbing it as I'm bringing it in. And I also have a pinfish out the back on a bobber in case any redfish swim by or anything like that. But seeing lots of birds hitting the water, which kind of led us to this area, and we saw some of the trout jumping out as well, so fingers crossed now that I turned the GoPro on I did not jinx us, and that we can catch a few more.
Sorry. Should have
I knew
warned
you
you.
were getting out.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to sit in here.
That's good. I'm like, oh no, already.
All right. I guess the key is try not to get the reel wet too much because the salt water is not good for it. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you staying in or hopping out?
I think I might jump out too.
It's up to you.
As long as that's okay to do.
Yeah, let me hold on to it so we don't tip.
So
You go ahead and set her down. Yep. I got you.
Get back in. You think we'll have to be okay too?
Probably not.
Woo. Nice.
It's brisk at first.
Yeah, that's good though. Ooh, there's something big right there, dude. Oh my goodness.
Is there?
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
It looks like a shark.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It wouldn't surprise me, dude. We've caught 5-foot bull sharks on sandbars like this. Where's he at?
I mean,
Cast it over there. You still see it? Keep your head on a swivel. I'm telling you, Matt, I'm not saying that to be a tool. We've caught the biggest sharks out here on sandbars this deep. We were fishing the ledges. It turns out at night they were coming up here on the sandbars.
Tendies. They're so good.
Nice. Don't lose it. Is it 15 inches?
I don't know. Where's your tape measure? That's 8.
Here. Not easy to do, is it? Huh?
15.5.
Still be doing this. We have definitely got ourselves in a bit of a predicament at this point.
What's that?
I said we have definitely got ourselves in a bit of a predicament at this point. So, yeah, okay.
They can always just climb in from the front.
All right, well, I've got it balanced out, so give me your rods.
So you can get balance like.
I'm good. Yeah, and in fact, I'll probably paddle like this. I mean, just trying to get in, I think you're gonna tip us. Be very cautious with how you, you get it. I said be very cautious with how you sit up here. Look at you. Yeah, we're good. Hey, shoot. Oh shit. I'm sorry. You can beat the snot out of you. Ooh.
Got one? That thing's wheelish. You gotta set that hook.
Oh, thanks, man. Sorry, I didn't know what you were doing.
All right, you ready?
Jonathan,
Ryan.
back where we came from or what? Here, let's not anchor up. Let's just start casting. Unless this looks deep, right?
Yeah, it does. One guy out. Yeah.
Well, how about I send this out like that, and then you cast to the front of the boat, and I'll cast to the toward the back.
Yep.
I'm gonna put this here. Is that yours right here? Your rod? This is me?
I mean, I don't know who it is. It's one of us.
That's fine.
Yeah, I think I want to do that.
And then I'll just do this. And then we'll pray that that starts zinging. Oh shoot, Matt, here.
I got something.
Here.
Okay, I got you.
All right, here.
You got something?
Yeah, this is you.
What do you mean that's
This is you. Reel it in. Here, just drop that. Maybe we need to go back to pinfish.
nice? How'd you find that?
I just felt the line going. Oh, bull crap. Horse crap. How did this thing eat that big of a bait? Is that a, let me see that. Lizard fish? Bring it here.
Thing has a mouth on it.
Dude, that's a freaking lizard fish. How did it, Jonathan, that was a huge piece of bait. All right, this guy's got some monstrous teeth on him. And he will bite me like there's no tomorrow. All right.
I got the.
Here we go, guys. I believe that's called a lizard fish. If I'm not correct, leave a comment down below. But look at the teeth on this guy. Oh, it's just, you know, I really don't want to stick my finger in there. So actually, you're just gonna have to believe me. He's got teeth. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. We literally just sent that out here. It's a little deeper in this area. Well, Matt, I was gonna let you hold him.
He said, let me go.
And under the bobber went, and that was that. So, all right, hey, that's cool.
You caught a fish.
Action.
That head.
Huh?
So you hit me in the head.
I saw that right by the boat. Ladyfish?
Trout.
Something bit the pinfish line and snapped everything in half.
Hmm.
Huh? No, I don't care.
You want one?
Yeah.
Is it 15?
I think he's a little short.
Looks like it.
How long they gotta be?
15
And how are you measuring them?
with a tape measure that I have. That's what's been biting our tail. Dad caught a big pinfish.
Good morning, YouTube family. We are back at Boca Grande with a much different situation this morning. Today, we will be heading out on the boat. We will be offshore. Ronald, Jonathan, Matt is in the porta pot pooping. But the difference today is Captain Brent in his new boat, who promised us a 200% chance that we're gonna get into some fish today. So we're excited to be out there. He's got his bifocals on, getting after it. We'll fire up the GoPros and then we'll get on the fish. How'd it go?
We're gonna catch some fish.
Did you poop?
I did.
Yes, all right, wonderful. So here we are leaving Boca Grande boat dock and we are heading offshore, fishing just off of Boca Grande Island. This is the first time that Matt and myself have ever fished offshore. Matt had had an experience on Lake Erie, I believe it was, and had had some seasickness, so a little bit of nervousness coming from him, I know, not obviously wanting to experience that again. But we got out there, things got underway pretty quickly, and I think that simmered down for him, and we ended up having a great time. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get right to it, us catching some fish. What do you have on, a Zubiki rig? What's this, just bait fish?
Where'd you find this guy? Replicator chip.
Okay, just drop her down.
Yep. Wait, test your drag
Oh,
first.
that's right.
Pull hard.
No, I'm pulling hard.
Okay.
I mean, there's a little bit of drag.
No, I don't want nothing.
Tighten it.
Is that Lefty Lucy
It's
right?
gonna be downright ugly. No, we're gonna be tying the line up quick.
Dolphin's already on one.
Mango snappers.
Oh, shit. Already.
What group is this? Keep the rod tip down tight.
It's an interesting looking fish.
Hand on the...
Is that gag?
Yeah. That's a gag.
It took 2 seconds. Not keeping that, I guess.
Too small. Out of season.
Is it?
We went reds.
Oh my!
Just snagged onto a monster, ladies
Ready,
and gentlemen.
reel, reel,
Ron
reel.
Osborne.
Real.
Oh yeah.
Real. Keep reeling. Oh, come on. Take your skirt off. Real. Go. Go.
What's it feel
Oh
like?
my God.
Get on it.
Yeah, get this thing off the bottom. Real. Oh. Keep going.
That's a big fish there.
Probably like an anchor.
Yeah. That's pull and drag. It's not supposed to. He's not tight enough, this guy.
Keep going.
There you go. He's got some momentum there.
What's it feel like, Ron?
I feel like he's around the ball. I think we all were. Ball's on the other side of the boat now.
No, it's right there.
I know.
You see the fish?
Keep going.
Oh my God.
Go. Keep. You got it. You sure he's not snagged?
You yanking on it?
No.
It's under the boat.
Get it up.
There it goes.
Oh, Rod.
That had to have been a big fish. Yeah, it was like right at the top of the boat. Did it take your bait? Oh, cool.
2 of them.
Oh, look at that man.
Snapper. Oh.
Now you got Ron excited. All right, flip your bail.
Put it.
Toss it. There you go. There you go.
2 for 1 deal.
Yeah, how you do that?
Grunting.
Yep. What are we doing with him? Turning him back in?
We'll have plans for him.
Shark bait. Ooh ha ha.
You got him?
Grab the fish with one hand, Matt, and then the pliers with the other. You don't need to hold the line. Grab the fish from the back.
In the back.
Yeah.
Like back here?
Yep.
Yeah, but keep him below the
Like
boat
this.
edge.
Here. Like that.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
That's
Now
nice.
use the pliers.
But keep him below because
Yeah.
they
Now
get
let go of the line. I got it.
Okay.
Now grab the pliers, grab the hook, and then rotate
Ron, I got it.
the direction that the hook's in the mouth. If that makes sense.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Yep. Pull.
Okay. He's off. Nice.
This now needs to. You want this in the same spot, Brent?
Yeah, pack him right over.
All right. Set that down.
So we're down this.
What is this? Mangrove snapper? mangrove snapper. Best fish, eating fish that I've ever tasted, personally. Yeah. All right.
I don't know if there's ice in there. Is there supposed to be ice in there?
What's that?
In this guy here? Or is there ice in there?
There's ice. Just make sure he's just pack him under one of them.
There's not ice.
I didn't see ice.
There's no ice in that one?
No.
Okay.
No, I'm not. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of ice in there.
There's goldfish.
Yeah.
You shoot John? You just grabbing those things?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
Here, you got this.
No. Here, I got it now. Right in the gills there.
You guys got some size. Are
Oh,
those
you had before.
good to eat or those are not good to eat?
Good to eat, but not in season, he said.
Got it. Sorry. Yeah, hold that up sideways. Get a good look. Shoot, it's not an ugly fish. Got some teeth to it. All right, nice. What was that on, bait wise?
Cut bait.
Cut bait.
Oh man, there's some sharp stuff in there. Oh.
All right. Couple fish we've landed now. Let's keep the momentum going, shall we? Something's picking.
Jonathan got something.
What in the world just happened? Yeah, but my reel's about to break off. Something must have happened to it up the front of the boat.
Another mangrove. Is that sizable?
Grunt, ain't it?
Yeah, that's what I said. It's a grunt. Are those edible?
That's what you got up there.
It tastes like snap.
Do they really?
I mean, not as. It tastes like a gelatin or something. It's good. I'm gonna be honest.
Where are you putting those at?
In this.
The fish bag.
Another bag up here. Does that have ice in it?
Well, that
Stick
one
it on
there's
the
our
one.
fish bag.
Let's see it. Get a good visual on it. No, hold it like you're supposed
I
to.
don't want to. I want to catch a bigger fish and hold it like I'm supposed to.
John's here for business.
He is
I want to catch a bigger
focused.
fish.
This is why we can't get good quality content though.
John's not fishing for his plate.
You know,
he's fishing for the family.
Ryan's trying to adapt and be able to get stuff on camera, but for memorabilia's sake. You feel me, Matt?
Good word. That's
You
good
feel
word.
me?
I like that word.
Get yourself some chips.
You know what?
You look freaking hungry.
Nice, Andy. Ryan's outside.
Oh,
Hold up.
oh,
Oh my gosh. He's got 3 of them.
Yeah, we don't
Across the school of them.
what are those?
Same thing with the
Blue runners.
That is so funny.
Must be a whale around that. That's not one of them sucker ones, are they?
Let me tell you what. I thought I had a freaking shark. Look at this guy.
So we don't need all these?
Are these edible or not edible? Is what going?
The camera.
Yeah, it's going. Yeah.
That's nice.
You got a good video on that.
it snapping on it. Back down low.
And that one, yeah.
Up.
Yeah, don't hit the flag we get finally anchored right now.
You want something with this?
Yeah.
Bunch of bait fish down there, huh? What are those good for, Brent?
Those are good for the grouper.
Are they? Like once you start feeling that tug, just let it go. There you go.
We were supposed to be on the outskirts of it for all these little guys. But they wouldn't be playing this
There you go, Matt.
We gonna keep those for live bait, or we just throwing those babies back in?
You still want these, Brent?
Yeah, we'll throw it.
I mean, if we're, will these be good for shark if we decide to do
Good
that?
for anything, really.
Did it get you? So Jonathan just got hooked up on a monster fish.
Go, catch him. Ooh, go. I'm good. I think we're up.
Oh, that's heavy.
Let me know.
Take that blue, take that yellow.
Let me know if he starts pulling down too much. We got to stop him.
I reel my line up, Jonathan.
Mine's
Yeah,
up
Matt
too.
is too.
Mine's up too if you need to take over.
Matt,
Oh, that's bent pretty good.
Matt,
Oh yeah.
help.
Yeah, that'll be a pretty good one, Jonathan.
Do you have one?
Yeah, reel it.
Gee whiz, look at that pull.
Have a birthday, John.
That's right.
That'd be a big red. Yeah, that thing got some bones.
Let's try and take it.
Can't
Oh,
let
it's
him back
coming
in.
out. Oh my goodness.
Holy crap, what is that? That's a shark. It's a monster shark. Oh my gosh.
You know what kind that is?
What is that?
Nurse.
Holy crap.
That's-
Wow.
So Matt, you have to lip this like a bass. When I come over here, I'll show you.
Yeah, let's do it.
Nice fish, Jonathan.
I'd rather not, but okay.
Yeah.
Use the cut it.
What kind of fish is that?
A nurse.
That is a different looking
Yeah.
shark. I've never seen one
They're
like that.
friendly, ain't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't call it friendly. I would call it. Well, that circle hook stuck right. Yeah, we'll get her down.
No system on it.
Don't you hear it? Come here, big girl. Release some pressure.
Yep.
It's off. I pulled. I'm like, that is heavy.
I thought this has to be a
That
shark.
is heavy.
I thought, I'm like, this has to be a shark.
Shoot,
Hung on the
man.
bottom down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
Usually
do,
they
let's
start
do
with-
more of those.
That
Yeah, heck yeah. We gotta get Matt
was
on
the
one
whole
of those.
fish, wasn't it?
Right?
Yeah, I'll catch
Oh yeah, that was a whole fish. I told you I was gonna go for something big or I was gonna go.
Yep.
We gotta get Matt on one of them.
Do we want to keep this?
That's
little
what I
girl?
used. I just chopped off its tail.
Well, here you go.
I don't want to do it again.
He's pooping.
Well, we're gonna head to another spot.
Oh shoot, yeah. That's more like it. Hey, here's our problem.
What?
That's what I was gonna say. It looks like a mutton, like they catch the keys.
Take them that way.
Teeth.
Yeah.
Dad, you see what they are, right?
What?
Number one, man. Keep them below to go. You see freedom.
Hold them up, Matt.
What's that?
Is that a keeper, and what are we doing with that?
That's a snapper, man.
Look real quick. Get eight there.
Nice.
Where's the foot?
Here, keep. Go hold him over the edge. It's under that Ryan's left foot, that sideways one.
What's that?
I came all the way to Florida to catch this.
Here, watch the foot.
You gotta turn it there.
Here. Give him here. Oh, it's really good.
You gonna throw it in the water?
It just turned completely sideways as I was reeling it. I'd be real mad if I hooked something good and it came off me. Matt.
All right, guys, back at the airport. Time has come for us to return home, sadly. It was a nice time. It was a short time. We learned a lot. We're going to improve on it for next time. But as always, thanks for watching Venandi, Ohio here on YouTube, where you'll find hunting, fishing, and all things outdoor. We'll see you next time.